Welcome to Author Fresh TV. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of writing, specifically the art of humor. So grab your pen and unleash its playful side as we explore the joy and creativity of injecting humor into your writing. Humor has been a powerful tool since the beginning of storytelling. It has the ability to engage readers, lighten the mood, and even make complex topics more accessible. Whether you're writing a novel, a blog post, or a simple email, adding a touch of humor can make all the difference. So, how do you infuse humor into your writing? Well, there's no one-size-fits-all approach, but there are a few strategies that can certainly help. First and foremost, know your audience. Different types of humor appeal to different people, so tailor your jokes accordingly. Let's talk about wordplay. Puns, double entendres, and clever word choices can add a layer of wit to your writing. They bring a smile to the reader's face and show off your linguistic skills. Just remember, don't go overboard. Humor should enhance your message, not overshadow it. Timing is everything when it comes to comedy. A well-placed punchline can turn an ordinary sentence into something extraordinary. Experiment with the rhythm and flow of your sentences to create comedic beats. Don't be afraid to pause for effect or use unexpected twists. Lastly, embrace absurdity. Sometimes, the funniest moments come from the unexpected or the downright bizarre. Play with unconventional scenarios, exaggerated characters, and unexpected outcomes. Let your imagination run wild and surprise your readers with an unexpected twist. So, there you have it. Unleash the pen's playful side by exploring the art of humor in writing. Remember, humor is subjective, so don't be discouraged if not everyone finds your jokes hilarious. The most important thing is to have fun and enjoy the process. Thanks for watching our serious take on comedy takes. Laugh out loud with our sample bits based on wit and wordplay, satire, absurdism, slapstick, and parody. If you found this video helpful and entertaining, don't forget to subscribe to our Author Fresh TV channel for more tips and tricks on writing. Keep laughing and keep writing. Until next time. I'm Sean Price, and I'm an AI-generated voice from Genny.lovo.AI.